There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
We making coffee today. Guys, do you want to go over how we're making the coffee?
Water and a little bit of this sugar.
What would you call
Sugar?
this?
Probably pretty confusing, eh?
Sugar.
Yeah. Here in the island of Komodo in Flores, even the little coffee packets have Komodo dragons on them. The level of authenticity here is just through the roof. Good morning, Geets. It is day number 3. It is our last and final day to catch a Godzilla-sized trevally. I'm hoping we can do it. Perrick is long overdue for a big one. He's been missing and breaking off and snapping off on some toads. But we've got a level head, a mind and heart full of some big blow-ups, and we will catch you guys out in the world, out in the water. Peace.
Not many people come here for the fishing. I know, they should though.
You guys believe it's already day 3?
Yep. Morning, brother.
Good morning. Boat hopping in the morning. Wow. Cool.
Morning, morning.
Ari, totoo ada punya air minum dengan.
This is our last chance to catch a true Komodo beast.
Oh, I just got bit. I just got bit. I just got bit. There he is. It's on. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. Woo, baby. Hooked up. Hooked up, baby. Fucking broke me off. God, get all to hell. Son of a. What? What? What, Dice?
You want to know that was on the sub dart?
Yeah, no, it was on the f***ing spinnerbait.
It was on the spinnerbait, Dice! Was it? Oh, you have the whole leader just
Yeah, no, the f***ing knot broke.
Oh, shit.
Is it GT or no?
Yes?
GT?
Yeah, GT.
And what's it? You honestly hear him?
Yeah, GTs. Just lost a really big one. It seems to be the theme of this trip, losing giant fish. And they're not even that big. Like, we're not talking, these aren't 100-pound fish, these are 40-pound, 50-pound fish. I mean, we've got a 100-pound leader, 121-pound main line. F me, that just broke. And we basically keep losing these fish, which is awesome. I really enjoy losing fish. In case you guys were curious, it's like one of my favorite pastimes, losing giant fish.
Jeez, I'm munching today, boy!
All right, so Dice, you know, he's really killing the game on the popper, so I'm gonna join the party. Why not, right? Water's warm. Might as well hop in. This kid is. Oh, I'm on two. I'm on two. I'm on two. Double. I'm on. Woo, buddy. It's tiny as shit. I don't know what it is. It's off. Me and my fucking ass, guys. This shit. God damn it. Ah! Houndfish. Really big houndfish. Good God, that's huge. That's the biggest houndfish I've ever seen in my entire life. Kind of salty it's not a GT, but on the contrary, that is a massive houndfish. That is a wild houndfish, man. That thing's gotta be like, Sam, help me out, like almost 4 feet? 4 feet? It's so big. I've caught these things before, but they were like 2 feet when I caught them. They look like absolute demons. Well, again, not a GT, but the Indian Ocean's full of surprises, and this is a big one. You ready for that release? It's gonna be like a torpedo. Watch this. There he goes. That's crazy. That's like catching like a, I don't know, in comparison, like a 4-pound bluegill. You just don't see him that big ever. Wild. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you have tape? Like tape? Like do you have tape? Do you have tape? Like a roll of tape? Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. All right, Bobby, you can take your shirt off.
But he's a good. I wasted buddy's band-aids here.
Super hot out here. Just put some band-aids on my nipples.
Stop it right now. I'm a hernia. Currently a giant mess right now. I've lost like 3 or 2 GTs, but 1 houndfish, and I'm just not doing super well. But thankfully, I've got Peric to make me smile. Earlier this trip, me and him had this little odds are bet. His bet was that he had to wear this shirt right here. Yep, that's a beautiful little Bali Roxy shirt. But as you may be able to tell, it's not on him, and the part of the deal was he had to wear it for at least 1 day GT fishing. So he just asked me earlier, he's like, hey man, is it cool if I take it off? Like, I need to try to catch some rays here. I'm trying to get my tan on. I'm like, yeah, absolutely, I understand. But there still has to be a consolation here, bud. I asked the captain, I was like, do you guys have any tape? Couldn't find any tape, but he found some Band-Aids, which actually are a little bit better than tape. And this is what Stinky's rocking right now. Take a look at the get up real quick. Is that for protection or chafing or what?
Yeah.
It's one of those moments for me where I'm just like not having a good day. So shout out to Peric for making me laugh. I just realized yesterday I didn't catch a GT, and today I haven't caught one yet either. So I need to step into full gear. Oh, and there goes Popper. That was Peric, by the way. Let's keep fishing. I'm gonna try to contain myself from the laughter and hopefully crank on a fat Geet. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Oh no, 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 oh no. What is that, GT? What is that? Very, very big. Holy, what is that? What is it? GT? Shark? There we go. There we go. Oh my God, it's big. We gotta get this thing in. We gotta get this thing in. It's a big fish. It's a big fish. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. It's a really nice fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm freaking out right now. Woo! Come on, get in here. Get in here. Come on, Bintane's on me if I catch this fish. That was the craziest run I've ever seen in a fish in my entire life. Come on, come on, come on, Geet. Come on, Geet. Okay. Come on, GT. Come on, GT. Come on, you can come in. You can come in now. This is a big, big fish. Everything is shaking right now. I'm so nervous. Not because I'm fatigued, I'm just so nervous. We've lost so many fish this trip.
I see him.
No way. Do you really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Big Geet on the other end.
It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. Get them now, guys. Big GT. Oh my God. Boys, is this a joke?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Come on, boys. Net this fish.
Oh my God.
Net this fish. You got this. Yes! Woo! My buddy! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? How many kilos? 40? 35?
Yeah, I had 35.
Are you gonna be able to hold that, dude?
No. Need help? Got it? Oh, he's gonna teach me how to hold a big GT. Like this right there? Yeah, right there. In a matter of seconds, the day can change just like this. We were talking about a fish that is close to 80, maybe 75 pounds. I have no clue, but this is a brute, baby! Woo! This is why we came to Komodo. Komodo GTs 2018. We're catching nothing but pigs! Look at that brute. Look at that brute. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. There she goes.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, buddy! Oh my God. There's no way to describe a fish like that. And when you get one that big, like we're freaking geeking over 10-pound GTs. When you get a fish that big, you just don't, like, it's surreal. Like, I'm just shaking out of like sheer excitement. Unbelievable. This one's to all you guys out there for supporting the video. Cheers to Sam Sobey, Sam Dice, Alex Perrick, Captain, deck mates, and our Forest Ranger, and to GTs. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
So that is what my drag was set at when that fish busted.
There we go, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Oh no, oh no.
I'm not like Hulk Hogan here or John Cena, but that's locked down. It's an 8,000 size reel with 123 pound test and a fish that is smaller than me, but strong enough to pull out, I want to say close to 100 meters or more of line like that. Like it was nothing, almost like it was cutting butter with a hot knife. That to me is just mind-bending. I want to end my video here, not necessarily on the boat, but like kind of away from the whole scenario, just so I can kind of soak in and really think about this moment and this day. The one thing I keep asking myself after releasing that fish, that GT, is did I fight that fish or did that fish fight me? Not often can I say when I get that fish boat side or into the boat that I am as tired as the fish. Like we both share that same exhaustion. In honor of that big fish and in honor of a successful trip, I'm gonna be giving these shirts out for a nice little discount. Click the link in the description below as to where you can pick one of these Geet shirts out. This leg of the journey is over, but we have many more days to come in Komodo and Bali. So stick with it. I hope you guys are enjoying the series as much as we are filming it for you, but I'm hitting the hay. Appreciate the view. Again, be sure to check the link in the description below for the Geet hat. We're running some discounts, and I will catch you guys tomorrow bright and early in Indonesia.